Hey, I wanted to take you with me to my Dollar Tree to see what they have in right now for Easter. So they have a lot of signage in right now, and they're constantly changing. So some stuff goes out, some stuff goes in. But I think these are really cute, the little yard signs with the little stakes. And then I think these are cute too, with little feet hanging. They have a bunch of different ones to pick from. So you can get a lot of different signage looks if you are looking for Easter signs, spring signs. I think these are really pretty because they're classic. And then I've shown these before. I think those are great because it would cost more than $1.25 to do it, and it's already done for $1.25. They have these right here. I see these. I saw these for other holidays too. So now they have them for Easter. A ton of Easter eggs. So if you're doing Easter baskets, you hide little eggs around with the candy and stuff in it. They have so many different choices to pick from. So they have clear ones. They have all kind of different ones. Gift bags. So if you're going to be doing gift bags instead of baskets, they have different types. They have just so many options. These baskets right here, they're kind of like a canvas material. They have hard plastic ones. They just have all kind of different ones. I thought these were cute with little gnome face on it. Thought that was real pretty. They have these little table runners that I've seen. So this one is a bunny, and they're 3 feet for these. This one is the eggs, and it has different designs in it. And then that one is like a floral one. This is my first time seeing these little carrot bags. Thought those were cute, and they came in a set of two, so that'd be cute to stuff these right here for the eggs. Just so many different cute little things they have right now at Dollar Tree. These right here, so if you're doing some baking, these came in instead of two. So you can get both of those, and they had different prints on it. Serving bowls, they have other ones too, but those are the ones that they had right now at my Dollar Tree. These, when I saw these before, I didn't realize they had two different patterns on the ear. I thought those were cute little plushies they have to stuff those Easter basket bags, whatever you want to use. You can use little tin, just so many different options. I know for the past couple of holidays, everybody has been doing the little lollipops, so they'll fill things and put it on little cake sticks and stuff. These would be great for that. So they have different sports bowls. They have regular looking eggs. They had a bunny too. They didn't have it out today when I went, but just so many different options. So if you are doing something, you might want to grab this stuff when you see it. These little headbands, I think they're so cute because they remind me of the little peep bunnies. They have other options too if you don't want those. And then these are just different, eggs that they have, these little headbands. So many different options. And like I said, it's constantly changing. So some days I'll go and I'll see one thing and then another thing. Reforms. I don't know if you see the carrot back there. They have the carrot, they have the cross, they have other little eggs. So you can make a cute little centerpiece with those eggs. And then they have the bunnies, which you can do crafting for the kids, more buckets. They had other doormats, but these were the only ones I saw today when I went to the Dollar Tree. So you might be able to find a different one. More cute little eggs. I just wanted to show, like I said, a ton of different eggs. The plushies, again, for you to put into the baskets, deco mesh, crafting items. These would be cute in a wreath. These and little legs too, the little bunny legs. I thought those were cute too, and those would be cute in a wreath. The little molds, this right here, this comes and goes at my Dollar Tree. The little molds right here. They have another one too, but that wasn't there today. So like I said, just constantly check and you might find something that you were looking for and it'll come back. I saw the trees. I haven't seen the trees all this time and I saw the trees today. This I think maybe it was out of place. It's a little rooster, but just so many different decor, crafting items. So if you are looking, you might want to head over to the Dollar Tree and see what your Dollar Tree has. These little cups right here, I think those would be great to add to a basket. And they came different colors, different little designs on them. More crafting style items. These signs I think are cute because they come in different colors and they will be cute to add to different things. So like I said, Dollar Tree is stuffed right now with Easter items. So you might want to get over there.